Okay, everybody, welcome back to Bad Luck Garage. Today we are doing what is pretty much my favorite part of every build that we do here on the channel, and that is cleaning the engine bay, because that pretty much signifies the turning point between where we're tearing shit apart and when we start putting everything back together, putting the new engine in, new engine mounts, wiring, all that. So I'm not going to babble on too much. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dive in here. I'm going to tape up a few electrical connectors that I don't want to get water and corrosion in, and we're going to get started. So I'm not going to get too picky with this whole process. I basically just want to make sure that I don't get a bunch of water and garbage in the main electrical connectors here. I'm going to use some duct tape. Yes, this is red duct tape. I'd actually bought it for a different reason a while back, but since we got it, that's what we're going to use. So we're not reusing a whole lot of the wiring. I mainly just want to get my connector here, get that covered up, and then I'm going to tape over my bulkhead connection down here. There's not really a whole lot else I'm going to worry about. The fuel lines here, and then over here we're actually having a little delay in where I was going to do the heater only conversion. You'll see that later on in the video. I've already started that video, I just haven't been able to finish it yet. You'll kind of see why when the video's done. But so I'm gonna have to tape over that hole there and that hole up there just to make sure I don't get a bunch of water in there. But that's pretty much it, guys. So this connector, the bulkhead connection down there, and the fuel lines, and then the open airbox holes, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna spray everything down with degreaser, engine degreaser, and then we're gonna have at it with the water hose. But yeah, it's going to be a lot cleaner than it was. Clean enough that, you know, we're not going to be able to, or we're not going to get all greasy dropping this engine in, working on this engine, and you know, should still be able to spot leaks. But it's looking pretty good, guys. If I had a pressure washer, I would probably already be finished, and this would be a lot cleaner. I do have 1 can of cleaner left, and I've got my bucket of kerosene. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this dry a little bit. I'm going to spray it down, scrub it one more time, rinse it off, and that'll be it. There we go, guys. She's all cleaned up. Like I said, not perfect. Could have done a little bit better if I'd have had a pressure washer, but this will do just fine. We got all the caked up grease and everything off of our K-member there, and the firewall and stuff like that. So yeah, this is looking good. The next video that I'm at least going to start on is going to be the installation of the UMI LS swap engine mounts here. So I'll be doing a video on that hopefully in the next day or two. I have already started, as I mentioned earlier, I started the AC to heater only conversion video. I'm currently waiting on parts for that, guys. That's the deal. I was needing a few things that I didn't think I was going to need, so that's why you haven't seen that video yet, but everything else is looking good. This was actually, like I said, this is kind of a pivotal point in the build. I love doing the engine bay cleaning because it means that the new engine's about to go in. I hate doing it because I always seem to do these things in the winter time, and although it's a beautiful day outside, it is very freaking cold. So but we got it done. That's what's important. So I realized this wasn't a big, long, spectacular video, but it really wasn't meant to be. It was just meant to show you guys that I'm making some progress over here, and everything's moving along nice, and hopefully I'm going to actually have our 5.3 not fired up, guys, but just sitting in the engine bay by the end of this week, so I can start mocking up the wiring, go ahead and do our Holley HP install, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. We're moving right along. So I know this is a short video, but that's all I got for you right now. So thanks for watching. Now get out in the garage, get something done, and I'll see you next time here on Bad Luck Garage.